Most of the times, the Excel sheets you will need to work on will be very large, so finding a cell that contains a specific number or text will not be easy. However, the Find and Replace tools provided by Excel can help us a lot. Let's see how.
From the Home tab, we navigate to the Edit group and click the Find and Select command. Then we click on Find. It pops up a new dialog box where we're going to type the number 90, for example. Then we click the Find Next button and the number has been found. It's this one here.
We'll click the Find Next button once more, and you can see there isn't any other instance of number 90 in the worksheet, since the first number remained selected. We click on the Close button to close the window.
The next feature we're going to see is how we can replace a word with another one. Let's say we want to replace the word sum with the word total. From the Home tab, we navigate to the Edit group of commands and click Find and Select. Then, we click the Replace option and type the word sum in the Find What field. We type the text total in the Replace With field. And then we click Find Next. The word sum has been found.
In order to replace it with the text total, we click the Replace button once. Excel immediately finds the next display of the word. If we want to replace this one also, we click on Replace once more. Then, if we want to close the window, we click the Close button.
Find and Replace are the Excel tools that you will probably use more than any other.
They have saved me countless times.